thank you once again for joining me for this last episode of my Valentine's Day special called Ideas from the Heart. During this time of the year, I often reminisce on my childhood and the most beautiful love I received, specifically from my grandmothers and my great grandmother, Mary. So after school, it was often that my grandmother, Pearl, would bake the special treat that I'm going to be showing you today. This treat is called Belizean Jam Rolls, and the hardest part of doing this is getting the dough just right. But once you have that perfected, it's an easy process. So I look forward to showing you how I make these. I don't make them very often, but because my heart felt such joy this morning thinking of my grandparents, I decided to take this project on today. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.
We first start with about 2 cups flour, a half a teaspoon salt, and then I add 5 tablespoons of shortening. Now I add between 4 to 6 tablespoons of water until the dough comes together. Here I add a bit of sugar and some Valentine's Day sprinkles. Bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And this time takes me back to afternoon tea with my grandmothers. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.